Yo, what up guys? I've been neglecting this hardtail for a while, and I'm just going to show you guys how to remove chain links in order to put a new chain on your bike. So I'll be adding a master link here later, but I need to remove some of these links in order for the chain to fit properly. So just a quick tutorial. You're going to need a link removal tool, and you're gonna be putting on master link, part tool, not a sponsor. Alright, so we want to back this up. Check this out. So this little spring really helps a lot with not losing your chain. So I'm lining the chain up with this rear plate, right? You can see that. So it's lined up. Oops. There we go. So you see that it's lined up. Now we're going to tighten this back piece and make sure we're lined up here, and slowly push that pin out. You know you're at one way to tell that you're at a good bike shop is if you go into the maintenance area where the technicians are and you see a bunch of these pins on the ground. I was taught that by a old guy in the industry, insider guy. So, and that's because not usually, but you can not push the pin out all the way and it's easier to put back in, but that's not the proper way to ever change the links out. So when you see pins on the ground in a bike shop, you know that they're proper. Take your bike there. Or ask to see the bikes where they work on them and everything, and look for pins on the ground. Just like this. See right here? If you find a bunch of these on the floor, it's a good bike shop. You're not cutting any corners. So that's how to take a link off. I'll post another video in a little bit and I'll show you how to add a master link. Cheers.